Did you know Garvey believed our minds are the tools to reshape our reality? Let the sky and God be our limit, and eternity our measurement, he declared. There is no height to which we cannot climb by using the active intelligence of our own minds. To him, creation wasn't just physical. It started with imagination and will. Garvey warned, the Negro will have to build his own industry, art, sciences, literature, and culture. Until then, he said, the world will not stop to consider him. His message? Don't wait for permission. Build, create, lead. Every generation has the power to begin again through innovation. Poll. Should schools focus more on African contributions to global knowledge? Like, follow, share, if you believe our future is waiting on what we build today.